Hi, in this video we're going to look at how you can make a volcano, and we're going to look at the reactions that we've used to create the volcano. So to do this you're going to need a volcano template. We've taken this one, which we've taken from Whiz Pop Bang. You can download it on their website. There's lots of them, and there's some useful facts about volcanoes that you can share with your students or children as well. And all you need to do is cut out around the volcano template and have either a spice jar or a small, like really small bottle. I'm using a beaker because that's what I've got, but an empty spice jar works really well. Okay, there's your template, and then you want to fix it around your beaker or spice jar, okay, so that it sits flat. And what we're going to do is tape it, okay? Okay, so if you fold it round like that, okay, it doesn't matter quite how it's done. You want to do it like that. You want it to stick and you want it to still stand. And then this bit, you need to fold in. And once you've folded it in, what's really important is if you take some tape and you fix it, you've got to stick it in the centre so that the paper is attached to the beaker. You don't want it to rise when your reaction is taking place. Okay, so you need it to look like that. So we're going to put our acid in our beaker. You've got your acid in there, and then you're going to take some food colouring because you want to try and represent the molten lava as it's coming out. I've got food gel colouring here, so I've got an orange one, and this one's cherry. Okay, and you give that bit of a mix. We're going to use our spatula for that. Then you want a good squirt of washing up liquid. Okay, I've got blue one. Fairy is good, okay. Once you've got everything mixed in, what you need to do now is make sure that your volcano setup is on a plate, okay, because this is going to get quite messy. And then you need a large spoonful of bicarbonate of soda, okay, for your reaction to take place. So once you're ready to make it erupt, you need to add this, and then you're going to watch the reaction take place. There we go. So you can see my volcanoes erupting there. The reason it is as bubbly as it is due to the washing up liquid that we've put in there, okay? That traps the carbon dioxide bubbles that are released as part of the reaction between the bicarbonate of soda, which is a base, and the vinegar, which is an acid. Okay, so that's how you get your volcano erupting effect, and our little cutout just makes it look a little bit better and more realistic. So what you need to remember from this is that when you react an acid with a base, in this case we've got carbon dioxide gas released, okay, and that's what is getting trapped inside those washing up liquid bubbles and is helping them rise. So this is a good experiment to do if you're looking at chemical reactions, and it's a nice little introduction. To find out about In My Element and learn how it can help you, check out our website, which is on the screen now, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's lots more free lessons and resources available.